each one on 1024.
Go ahead.
1022 that they're taking off, 1037. We're going to be southbound down North Burkle. It's going to be Adam Boyd Charles, 81 Mary. Speed's 100. They threw Baggy out right in front of the hospital. Coming up to coming up to Michigan. Speed's 100. Continuing down North Burkle. Still speed's 100. Medium traffic. Crashed out. They rolled over 1016 into the hospital. Correction, into the Stuttgart apartments. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Sir, put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Is there anybody else in the vehicle? Anybody else in the vehicle? No? Each one, I have one black male. It's in fire as well. Alright, I want to wait for somebody, man. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, I have people coming. Hey, is there anybody in this apartment? Have them move, okay? Get them out of this apartment. Okay, put your hands behind your back. Okay.
I don't have please don't drag me through the glass.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Each one, I have 11015. Hey, watch out, that pipe's super hot.
Okay, what do you need?
Let me turn my siren off. Try to, there's a bunch of glass. I ain't gonna move them. Go ahead, Phil. Just one male. There's nobody else in the vehicle. He's complaining that he can't feel his legs. Temporary standby, I'm turning it off. Go ahead, Ford. Temple, one male. I have a 1015. You got by the vehicle. I don't know what you running for? Hospital, right before the hospital, they get you. God. Each one in Palm Book. Can you go ahead and start at 1011? And if you can have someone try to go to that backy by the hospital.
What else do you need right now?
I'm good. I'm just waiting.
Is anybody seen the vehicle?
What?
Is anybody else?
No, I cleared it as best I could. Well, we have everybody on the way, okay?
870. Let me get my phone.
Each one, you can clear the net.